Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to define attribute in XML schema definition of XML documents attribute. So now let's define one attribute for body element, which is the children element. I am defining language is equal to English. I have defined one attribute for body is language and I have given value English. Now in schema definition, to give attribute validation, we can use XML schema attributes. So in the complex type, write access attribute. Now you have to give for which you are specifying attribute. I am specifying attribute for body. So write body. And then what are you specifying? What is the attribute? My attribute name is lang. So I am writing lang, which is the language. And then you can specify various options. Now you can also specify data types for attribute. To specify data type for attributes, write type is equal to access string. I am giving string data type for my attributes. Now there are various options are available. For example, you can give default value for attribute, you can fix the value of attribute, or you can make attributes optional or required. Let's see what is the procedure. For example, if I want to make my default attribute to Hindi, then I have to write default is equal to default value of attribute. If I want to fix the value of attribute, then I have to write fixed in place of default. So if I write fixed is equal to Hindi, then default attribute will be Hindi. And then if you want to specify attribute as a optional, then write use is equal to optional. When you are using this use, you cannot use fixed or default attribute. So I am using use is equal to optional, then you can either specify attribute or not. Now if I use required, then I must have to specify attribute in the XML document. After writing any option, close the attribute tag, which is access attribute. So using the access attribute, you can specify various validation for attribute in your XSD file, which is the XML schema definition. So this is all about attributes in XML schema. Thank you.